What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Astro Cuddy, and we're back with another sneaker unboxing. See, now today's gonna be short and sweet, but it's gonna be a double whammy, cause your boy got two pairs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, two pairs. And if you can't tell by the box, they're dunks. Like I told you, I was gonna be going dunk crazy the entire year. Yeah, I'm being really serious about that. But before we get started, you already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video, comment, and hit that bell, ladies and gentlemen, because we're going up. So let's get this going because it's almost 1 o'clock and I'm tired. I got work in the morning. First shoe is gonna be the Nike Dunk High PRM EB, whatever the fuck that means, right? They're a Laker colorway. I'm not a Laker fan, but for dunks, this is like a pretty like sick colorway, and I really do like it a lot. So it's how the shoe look. You know, something calm. It's a calm shoe. I can't lie about that. I love the material on it. I love how this is like embroidered into the shoe. Like, that feels so nice. And honestly, if you ever look at the floor at Staples Center, the Laker logo looks exactly like this, but it says Laker instead of Nike. This is how the tongue look. It says Nike Sports. It's a pretty decent shoe. It's very light for some odd reason. Like, not even an odd reason, but like I guess a good reason. I'm not gonna say it doesn't look like other dunks, but you could tell like this is a special, like, you know, special type. Feel me? I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Like, these, I don't know what kind of fit I'm gonna go with these. I don't want to have like a Laker outfit, but I'm gonna do something with these because I love dunks and these are a nice colorway. Like, I needed these. I didn't get them off of sneakers because I ain't win the raffle or whatever, so I was tight. So I went to GOAT. Again, GOAT does not sponsor me, but shout out to them because they get my sneakers here ASAP, y'all, and I love it. So on to the next shoe. As you can see, black box. I love this shoe, but I ain't get it off of sneakers and I was tight. This shoe I wanted off of sneakers badly, but sneakers like holding people. They like playing with my emotions, giving me nothing but straight L's. I'm trying to get W's, feel me? So this shoe right here is called the Nike Dunk High Fragment. Yeah, if you know, you know. You could look at that logo right there and see that. If you see that, you know. This is the shoe, feel me? Now, I love the purple on this, and I love how it like coordinates well with the black. The white, you know, midsole, obviously it has writing on it. It's like a bunch of like numbers, skewed numbers, honestly. And then it has the Nike Dunk High /F/Fragment design written on the shoe. Tongue, the same as every other like regular Nike Dunk, because like I told you, SBs, high top SBs and regular Nike Dunks are two different shoes, right? So this shoe is, I can't say it's heavier, but it feels nice. Like, I think I would actually enjoy just like walking around in these. I gotta find like a really dope outfit. I already got something in my head low key, but I'm trying to do these like beautifully. But there is a slight difference between the two dunks, and I'm gonna show y'all. All right. So you could tell by the anklet. You can tell by the anklet. This one has like a more narrow anklet than this one does. But all in all, these are my two pickups, y'all, and I love these shoes, yo. Like, shout out to GOAT, man, because they really be blessing up, even with the prices. The prices don't even be that bad. To me, cheaper than StockX, honestly. And they smell good, but these are my two pickups, and I'm hype about this one because I'm gonna do these nasty. But these, I'm out of hype beast, but I needed these. So feel me? Told y'all I was gonna go dunk crazy all year, y'all. I'm here, and it's only gonna get hotter. No pun intended, because it's hot as fuck outside. But little short video. Stay tuned for more heat. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but if you got an idea for these shoes, comment it below. I'll take requests. I'll take a advice on an outfit for these. Okay? But it's your boy Astro Cuddy. I gotta cut it short. I'm tired. I got work tomorrow. So I'ma holla at y'all in my next video. Got something in the works. You feel me? So everyone stay up. Drink your cacti. They don't sponsor me either, but I love this drink, honestly. Drink it, enjoy it, live life. Feel me?